Hello, friends. Are you looking for crispy, sticky, and honey-glazed wings from the air fryer? Let's make them together. Take about 2 pounds, 1 kilogram of chicken wings. Trim them up, separate the drumettes and wingettes so they cook evenly. Put aside trimmed wings and let's create the marinade. In a mixing bowl, take 2 mid-sized garlic cloves and crush them using a garlic press. Fresh garlic is key for that bold, aromatic flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered ginger. Now, for richness and sweetness, pour in 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of melted butter and 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of honey. Add 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of olive oil and 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of soy sauce. Stir everything together until smooth and glossy. So, let's bring it all together. Pour about 80% of the marinade over your wings. Save the rest for later. Mix it well, ensuring every wing is coated. Now, let them rest in the fridge for 15 minutes to soak up all that flavor. While we wait, let's chop up some green onions in advance for garnish cooked wings. Once the wings are ready, arrange them in a single layer in your air fryer basket. This ensures even cooking and helps them crisp up beautifully on all sides. Close it up and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. In about 8 to 9 minutes, open the air fryer and flip the wings to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. With 2 minutes left, brush the wings with the remaining marinade for that sticky, caramelized glaze. For the final touch, sprinkle sesame seeds over the wings with 1 minute to go. That little crunch makes all the difference. When the timer dings, open the air fryer to hear that satisfying sizzle. Transfer the wings to a plate and sprinkle them with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. And that's it. Sticky, savory, honey-marinated chicken wings are ready for taste. These wings pair perfectly with potatoes. Check out that recipe on our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode.